Um,
Hi Ethan, good
I,
afternoon. Hello. How are you Ethan today?
what? No, I'm reading my, I'm reading my
How are you
key.
today?
What I'm reading my book. I'm doing Python.
What do you say?
I'm doing Python.
You're doing Python? What kind of Python are you doing?
I was taught to do the variables and input.
Variables and inputs? Wow, wow, that's really cool.
It's kind of easy. It's very easy. Just input and do the
Wait, yeah,
What?
wait.
Wait.
Uh, how was your school? I think you're already on holiday, right?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, until when?
I have one more week.
What do you say?
I have one more week.
Oh, okay, okay then. Okay, Ethan. We'll start our lesson today ya. Wait. Okay. Wait. Why? Eh. Okay. Nah. Okay then, Ethan. I'll start ya. I'll share my screen then. Since it's a long weekend, do you planning go to anywhere?
I never even. No, I don't planning. I just go to do fun and I don't call.
Ooh, sounds fun. Sounds fun. With who?
It's boring.
Do fun, right?
I'm scared of too fun. It's too fun. I'm scared. I was in Nagara, and it was so scary that I almost feel I have a heart attack.
Why Halilintar and Kora Kora? It's really fun.
No,
It's super
it feels
fun.
like it feels like you're dropping from a mountain.
But but it's not, right? I,
It
you're not
really
drunk,
feels like
right?
it feels like it. Even my friends say that. It's to look like that.
Yeah, it's just a feeling. Later on, your feeling is good. Okay.
No, it's so scary that I feel everything go out. Even my mom don't want to even compare that.
With who? With who you will go to do fun?
My mom and my mom.
Uh, with the whole family or from school?
Long time ago, I just go with my friends. Before, I just go to my friends. I'm gonna go to another different next time. Yeah.
Okay then. Okay. Nah, okay, this one ya. Wait, let me set the
Yeah.
registers first.
I'm waiting. I'll just work on Python.
Yeah, wait, yeah. Can you share what kind of Python do you make? I mean, I'm a little bit curious.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So, what is that? Where
I
are
tried.
you? I'm in
I
USA. Wow. Why do you close
I
it?
just it's
Mm-mm.
just me.
Do you know the trick in Python?
Huh?
Do you know the trick in Python
Yeah.
about the multiplication of string? Do you know how to do that?
With that, I just have learned this. Just,
Hello, what is your name? Okay.
I'll just write. Okay, that was
Okay,
actually wrong.
let's try this. Let's try this. So what about 8 times 4? What will be the result, Ethan?
Oh, let's write this.
Yeah, you can do that, but
I
try
think
to do this instead. So it's supposed to be like this, right? 8 times 4 is 32. But how about you write this code? No, don't forget the open parenthesis and also the quotation mark. Hmm. The quotation mark again? Nope, 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 nope. The quotation mark is the end of the number 8.
Oh, that's cool.
Nope, the quotation mark first. Hmm.
Saya bisa buat proposal sama Bapak. Nanti taruh di bawah bisa bentuk kukus dulu ya. Ya. Yang merah ada nggak? Uang warna merah.
What?
Wow, you will get 8 4 times. Yeah.
That's why
So,
they're playing. Keep
yeah.
sharing
Okay.
this in my book, but oh my, this is Turtle Python.
So sorry, I'm coughing. I don't know. Several times you will hear about my cough. Okay. But never mind. We'll start our lesson today. Ethan, do you still remember what the material you already learned on the previous week? What was it about?
Like an NPC go to a position, but it didn't work.
Yes, it didn't
As
work.
usually, as
Yeah.
usually, because
Yeah, okay. Okay. And I will send the characters. It's supposed to be like you have several NPCs in your Roblox studio, but today we'll continue our lessons and it will be about creating an attack in the game. Yeah. Attack.
what?
What is it,
I don't
attack?
care. Like a battle.
Yes, like a
It's like a
battle.
war
Yes, it's like a war. Yeah, where you fight
game. This is
several several NPCs. Yeah, so you will spawn a lot of NPCs and it will be your enemies. Okay?
like you find the treasure. The game that we say find the treasure.
Yeah, yeah. So on the previous lessons, it's supposed to be like you have an NPC and it will move to the green flag and the red flag. But yeah, I don't know what's happened and it's not working. Now and we'll continue. Yeah. We're creating an attack in the game, yeah, where you will spawn a lot of demons, and these demons can attack you, yeah. You will use inventory to use a sword,
Hey,
yeah.
there's nothing. My dad's here.
Okay, yeah. For so that's all for today, yeah, Ethan. You will creating an army or of opponents, yeah. So the first step is you will add an NPC and then you'll create the blank. I mean the place for the spawn of the enemies, where the enemies will spawn will be there. And then after that, will create several variables and set a new script, yeah, to spawn the enemies. Okay, so these enemies will attack you if you're closer with them. How many?
Wait, how
I mean,
a
yes,
running game? You have to run for.
yeah, yeah. How can we decide that you is close with the enemy? We can count it, we can measure it using stats. Yeah, we can studs, we can use studs. Okay, if you less than 50 studs, that means you will you close with the enemy and the enemy will attack you. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, do you have any questions, Ethan?
Nope.
No, so please open your account first, yeah, in algorithmics, and then share your screen. Okay.
Okay.
Ada apa nggak?
No, I already found a way easier. Let's just need to go to my stupid.
Yes. Login ya.
It's only wait, memory version. Swaps. That we did it. Okay. What's this? Click the
Uh,
picture.
click back button. Ethan, wait. Go back again to the algorithmics. Yes. Go back.
Here.
Okay, okay. Go ahead.
Next. Go lastly here because it means IDK. IDK. Local rhyme. Blah blah blah. Lastly, so now.
Okay, finish ya. So please open your Roblox Studio, Ethan. Yeah.
Wait, I forgot my. Got a handbook. Got a handbook. And as we go to the profile, and that's where we have to put the get out of here, all aspirations, and I just write aspirations. I wish I have a group, but I have a group is easier.
Group of what?
Group for making my Roblox games.
Oh, okay. From the base plate, yeah. So the first step is adding NPCs to the game. Yeah. You will go to the avatar.
I don't know how to do it. Go to the
Okay.
big rig
Yes, unblock avatar ya.
and then choose my no, not my avatar. My it's too crazy so much.
Is it block
This
avatar?
it's still giving out a block avatar because
Okay, and then rename this NPC to the demon ya. Set it as a demon for the
oh
name.
how about how about like how about the game
Gimana?
starts off with minions.
The script will change if you change the name. The script will not will be working ya. So follow it.
Why I don't want to write demon.
Okay, and then go to the humanoid root part. Scroll down. Scroll down humanoid root part. Nah, it's not anchored ya. You can go to the home. Okay, it's not anchored. Okay, and then we'll continue. Uh, Move the demon to the storage to the server storage. Ethan, you can click first. Uh, no, not the spawn. Oops, undo. Click the triangle first, Ethan. This one. And then, nah, this one. Yes. Okay. Move it to this server storage. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then at a new part, at a new block, where it's like a portal for the enemies that will show up.
Wait, how about I just use the toolbox?
Okay. Just no 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 no. Not from the toolbox. You can use the part, yeah. Yes.
Yeah, but I don't have to put too much detail, so. Yeah. I want to put another portal, make another portal, but first we have to leave.
Make it bigger ya. That will like a box. Nah, rename it as a make it bigger. Only one. Only one block, Ethan.
No, I'm like, yeah. Sorry, but this is gonna be the. Yeah. How will I make a broken down portal and then like a. Let's leave this one. Right, and now I'm almost done. Just let me see. The, now this is better. Portal. Let me just. There, done. Done. The, wait, you
Create a
muted.
one part ya. Create a one part behind it. No, we cannot use a lot of parts. We can only use one part and rename it as a field. If you don't,
Uh,
then the script will be not working. Use
wait,
one
I want.
script. We use one part where the monster will show up.
That works. So that hurts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Wait, can I still spawn? Okay, so if I'm still on that, on the, yeah, then,
Then where is it?
yeah, a field of nothingness. Just,
Rename it as a field ya. Rename it as a field.
One soup.
Is it finished or not?
Yeah, but yeah,
Yeah, okay.
I don't.
Okay. If you finish and then we'll continue at the part which the demons will appear on. So
Wait,
you
facts.
will create a
How?
spawn point, yeah. Create a new
But first, I.
part.
But first, I have to put the facts.
Yes, create a new part. It's like
But first, I
a block, yeah.
have
And
facts.
then add in here, rename it as a spawn point, yeah.
I expect it. Good fire. No, wait. Wait, I can put the facts.
Yes, create a new block, yeah. Rename it as spawn point, yeah.
How to make a fire? Make it.
Yeah, the S and also the P is uppercase. No, 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 no. The S and the P is uppercase.
Wait, I
Rename it
have to.
again. Do you put a
Wait,
space after the T?
put a T. Alright, already do it.
Remove the white space. I think you put a white space after the spawn point.
Huh?
Rename it again. Okay, no, yeah. Okay, and then after that, uh, create a model from the parts you created and name it as a spawner. Okay, and then group the two blocks you can group it yeah, the field and also the spawn point. Group it and rename it as a new model. We call it as a spawner.
Where? How to do it?
Right click, right click, or you can just click this one. No, 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 this one. Not a folder. Group as a model. Undo, undo. Nah, ini. Yes, right click. Yes. Rename it as spawner.
Wait, I can just write name.
The S
Um,
in uppercase. Yes, and then create a new folder in the workspace. Scroll up, create new folder ya.
and create a new folder.
Create new folder in the workspace. Yeah, you can group as a folder as well. And then click the triangle.
There.
Yeah, and then rename it as spawner as well. Yeah, spawner with DS. Spawners.
Spawner.
Yeah, like this. But put the plural one ya, the plural form.
One.
Yes, and then add a new folder, yeah, in the workspace. Add a new folder in the workspace. Yes, and
Huh?
then rename it as NPC. All is the uppercase, yeah.
What? Oh yeah. All. And
And then in the spawners, add a new int value. Int value, int value,
what?
int. Type it. Nah, int value, rename it as quantity, yeah.
How to say?
The value you rename it. Is it ent? Is it int or not?
Yes, it's int value.
Okay, so rename it as quantity. Okay, and a new folder again, yeah. A new folder again, create. Rename it as data.
Wait, that's a tool.
Rename it as data.
Wait. What again? New folder.
Folder. Ya, data ya. Yes, attach an object value. Object value, add a new object value in data. Object value, you can type it ya. Hmm. And then rename it as like this. Rename it to like this ya. Okay. You already rename it, and then after that, attach a script to the folder to connect the player to the game. Yeah. So you will add a new script in data. Yes,
And
and then open the browser. Yeah.
I don't. How about just show me in chat,
Oh, yeah. Okay. I will say that.
or just write it. I think, can you just write it? I think that will glitch again. So just write it.
Yes, you can open the chat Zoom and copy it from there.
I mean, don't. I don't mean. I don't want to copy.
What do you say?
I don't want to copy. It can glitch again, so I don't want. It can
You
glitch.
you want to type it?
Yeah, because it will glitch.
Oh,
Maybe
okay
it.
then.
Okay.
Okay
So I
then. If
have
you if you want to type it, then here it is.
function. Space.
The L is uppercase ya, Ethan. Yeah, uppercase is matter in here. So
Huh?
rename it to L uppercase ya. Yes, and this one as well, yeah. It's uppercase as well. The P is uppercase. Yeah.
Done. Is this all correct? Dad.
Okay, is it
Is
finished?
it finished? Yes.
Uh, it's supposed to be comma, not dot.
It looks complex.
This is
Oh yeah,
not
I
dot,
wrote.
it is comma.
I forgot. I was hurrying
Okay.
so fast.
Mm, okay. No, it's already correct. It's dot. No. No, no, no. No. That's already correct. I just told you that the first one is supposed to be comma.
Oh my, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So you can play it.
What's happening? Nothing is happening. What's happened? So,
Nothing's happened. Okay. We can continue then, yeah. Attach a script to the fields part, to the field part. You can create a new script in the field. It's in the spawners. It's on the spawner again.
oh my, I hate so much. This is so much. Field.
Yes, add a
School.
new script.
Yeah, can I type it again? It feels great.
Here it is, the script. Do
Okay,
you want to
okay.
type it? Are you sure?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Is it, this is, what is red?
What do you say?
What is red?
Yeah, just keep apa? Keep scripting ya. It hasn't finished, then it will read.
This isn't even code. Why do you even, I cannot see.
You can see, okay.
And then what? And then you just say it. Oh yeah, that's better. Players dot get dot dot net. No.
Okay, Ethan, I think it won't finish, yeah, and I will share the link where you can download the reference solutions, yeah. So wait a minute.
Yes, I'm almost done.
Yeah, okay. It's really long code, yeah. Nah, please open the chat Zoom and then you can click this one, yeah.
Yeah, but first I'm done this.
Yeah, later on, yeah. Eh?
Now done. I'm done. I'm done writing it all.
Yeah. It's really long code, Ethan. You're not gonna make it. And you can click the link on the chat Zoom to download it first. Click the link on the chat Zooms, Ethan.
I need this.
Yes. Just click download.
I'm scared I'll get hacked.
Download.
Hacked.
Yeah, and then wait, yeah. Open file.
No, I'm gonna hack this. No, 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 I'm gonna hack this. What is this? What is this? What is this?
So this is the reference solutions. Where it's supposed to be like this, yeah. Your game that you're already creating, yeah. You can click play. It will spawn a lot of enemies, yeah. You can click play to test the game. Nah, so if you close with the enemies, yeah, with the spawner, the enemy will show up. Yes,
What demon?
yes, it is demon that you already created before. Yeah, and it will catch you.
Good job with extra detail. Well, this is not even yet incorrect. It's not even yet incorrect. Where do you even spawn?
Okay, so that's all. Do you have any questions, Ethan?
No.
No? Okay then.
Today, this is to, Mister.
Okay, so that's all, yeah, Ethan, for today lessons. You already learned about how to create an attack and also how to spawn an enemy. Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Yeah. Yeah.
No? So I will see you on the next weekend. Yeah, bye-bye, Ethan.
Bye.
Good
Bye. Bye.
afternoon.